KBOI Sarah Jacobson talked to a local restaurant owner who's using motivation and inspiration. Here's our Best of Idaho.
I think that every day is a new day for us here. We're learning how to do business in a different way. And I know that every day is challenging. Every day we come up with new ideas. And through this time, I think you have to be very open to that.
For 13 years, owner of Jalapeno's Bar and Grill, Irma Valdivia, has grown her business from the ground up. With 3 locations across the Treasure Valley, she says that coronavirus, the recent stay-at-home order from Governor Little, and transitioning her business to full curbside delivery has, but she's thankful for her staff and, of course, her community.
I'm just trying to wear my invisible cape every day and be that superwoman I promised my staff and family and community I would be, and really just embrace each day and thankfully that we're still healthy. It's not easy to do every moment, but we surely try.
Trying and succeeding.
Obviously, we've turned our restaurant inside out, and we are now, every day we bring out as much as we can out to the parking lot so it still looks festive and pretty and convenient for our customers and safe more than anything. So we've learned how to do curbside deliveries and to-goes, and we've set up a system, and we've gotten pretty creative on how we number parking stalls, on who bags the food, who just touches money, who runs, around and tries to find Kathy and the silver dodge.
She credits not only her staff, but other local restaurants who are helping one another. Now Valdivia is managing a successful transition to her curbside service, but also working with a more than 70% reduction in her staff.
We've decided to keep a pretty tight staff, not really because I decided to, but mostly because most people chose to be laid off and to be home with their families.
But her team is persevering and also taking this time to reassess and renovate.
I really want to tell my friends that are in restaurants that to not sit around and wait for an order, to not sit and be discouraging to your staff about numbers, but to come in every day and give them light and hope and projects of fun and just have fun with it and really take care of those customers that are willing to come through still.
She gave us a virtual tour of the renovations that she says she's excited to show off once they reopen. Jalapenos is taking curbside pickup orders Monday through Saturday, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m., and any and all service is welcome.
It's such a lesson that is a hard lesson to swallow, but once you understand it, you just know that every day is going to be a challenge. It sounds like we have at least 30 days ahead of us this way, and that's okay. If we do it right, we'll get through it. We'll save our business. And so I'm seeing that in the love for my customers, that they want us to survive and they want us to do well, and they're giving us the business that we need to stay afloat.
First, CBS 2's Trevor Fay is in Stanley, right near the epicenter. Trevor, what was the reaction from this small town?
Good morning, everyone. This sleepy town is finding itself at the epicenter of one of the biggest Idaho earthquakes in recent memory. Motel worker Mike Nadeau was sitting here watching the news when the lobby began violently shaking. He tells us he hasn't felt something like that since the Idaho earthquake of 1983.
We were having a blizzard, and when the earthquake hit, I thought it was pretty much just a windstorm until I stood up, and the whole building was just like being on a boat, pretty much.
Protect and serve takes on a whole new meaning for first responders amid the coronavirus outbreak.
Our efforts are all about not only protecting our firefighters and EMS responders and police force, but it's also to protect the citizens. Because we are the front line, we can be one of the biggest transmitters if we don't follow proper protocol.
And that means whether it's a fire, car crash, or medical emergency, the virus has forced our frontline defenders to make some significant changes.
Really, it took everybody's feedback. So it starts with our dispatch centers throughout the valley. They ask very and it will let our people know as they approach the scene that this is a possibility, that the COVID virus could be present. So we now ask if the patient can come outside so we're in fresh air. We've reduced our responses to allowing only one fire or EMS personnel make contact with the patient in full PPE. And then if it comes to a transport, then we actually, whoever made the contact, whether they're fire or EMS, they actually are the ones that are going to take the ambulance to the hospital.
It's a trying time for us all. But for first responders, the virus is keeping them on their toes.
I am proud of our firefighters, and I think that they're very proud to be the one that gets to serve or has the honor to serve right now, because this is a new thing, and it's a new precedence we're setting, and I think that what doesn't matter to the fire department in the Valley, that our firefighters and EMS providers and police are proud to be serving right now. It's what they joined to do, and I think it's more of an honor in most cases. We are at a little higher risk, and it's a little concerning.